3 years ago, we did smart FUE technique and we fill up the front. This was the first hair transplant. And today, we're going to do the second one. We're going to fill up behind so that he get a fuller head. The technique here today is smart FUE and patient is sitting down position. There's no any sedation. Behind here is partially shaven and we're going to take the graft and going to fill up the crown. This is the safe donor zone, and today the technique here is a smart FUE partially shaven. That means this the upper margin of donor zone. We shave it down in the center and the side, so the harvesting will be equally distributed in the center and the both side, so there's no any donor depletion. We have just completed the smart FUE procedure. Indication is at the crown, and from here the hair is going like this, and from here it's going down. It's like 360 degrees here. This is the upper part of the crown and this is the lower part of the crown, and we already fill up the whole area here for the good coverage. The graft over the crown area will start growing on the 3rd month. By 6 to 9 months to a year, it will reach to the optimum growth.
Just like the last time that I had the smart FUE procedure, this procedure has been, I can say, almost completely pain-free. I'm very much looking forward to seeing the end results in the next 6 to 12 months, and I'm very confident given the results that I had with the first transplant.